Welcome back to Karog 765, the channel where we celebrate the most legendary classic cars, trucks, and forgotten American machines ever built. If you love vintage vehicles, rare classics, and automotive history, make sure to subscribe and join the family for more amazing content. Today we are talking about one of the most unique and underrated trucks from the golden era of American motoring, the 1964 Studebaker Transtar. This truck may not be as famous as the Ford F-Series or Chevrolet CK trucks, but true classic truck fans know that the Transtar has a personality all its own. It represents the final years of the legendary Studebaker company, and because of that, it carries a very special place in automotive history. Back in the early 1960s, American roads were filled with hard-working pickups. Farmers, builders, and small business owners depended on tough trucks every single day. Companies like Ford, Chevrolet, and Dodge were dominating the market, but Studebaker wanted to prove they could still compete. That is where the Studebaker Transtar entered the scene. The 1964 model had a design that looked both simple and stylish. It carried the classic boxy shape that truck enthusiasts still love today. The front grille had a clean and bold appearance, while the rounded headlights gave the truck a friendly but strong personality. Even parked beside bigger competitors, the Transtar managed to stand out because it looked different from everything else on the road. One of the most interesting things about the 1964 Studebaker Transtar is that it was built during a difficult time for the Studebaker company. By 1964, Studebaker was already struggling financially, but they continued producing vehicles with passion and creativity. Because of this, every Transtar from that era feels like a piece of American automotive history. It was one of the last trucks produced before the company eventually stopped making vehicles in the United States. Under the hood, buyers had several engine choices depending on what they needed. Some models came with reliable inline-six engines, while others offered powerful V8 options. For truck owners in the 1960s, reliability mattered more than flashy features, and the Transtar delivered dependable performance for daily work. Whether hauling supplies, driving across rural roads, or simply serving as a family work truck, the Transtar earned respect for getting the job done. Driving one today feels like stepping into another era. There are no giant touchscreens, no complicated electronics, and no modern distractions. Instead, you get a large steering wheel, classic gauges, simple controls, and the pure mechanical feeling that old-school trucks are known for. That raw driving experience is one reason classic truck collectors love vehicles like the Studebaker Transtar. Another reason the 1964 model is appreciated today is its rarity. You do not see these trucks everywhere. While classic Ford and Chevy pickups are common at car shows, a Transtar instantly grabs attention because many people have never even seen one before. Owners often say that people constantly ask questions about the truck because it is so unusual and unique. The truck's interior was simple but functional. Bench seating allowed room for passengers, and the dashboard had a straightforward layout designed for hardworking drivers. Trucks during that era were made for utility first, but there is still a charm in their simplicity. Every knob, lever, and switch reminds you of a time when vehicles were built with durability in mind. Collectors today appreciate the Studebaker Transtar not only for its looks but also for its story. It represents determination and survival during the final chapter of an iconic American company. Studebaker had once been one of the most respected automobile manufacturers in America, and even during tough times, they continued creating vehicles with character. The 1964 Transtar also has strong restoration potential. Enthusiasts enjoy restoring these trucks because they are different from mainstream classics. A fully restored Transtar can become the star of any vintage truck gathering. The paint colors from the 1960s look incredible on the truck's classic body lines, especially two-tone combinations that give it a true retro appearance. One thing fans especially love is the sound of the V8 versions. That deep classic American engine rumble perfectly matches the truck's tough appearance. Even at idle, the Transtar sounds powerful and confident. For many classic truck lovers, that old-school engine sound is something modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. In the United States, vintage truck culture has become bigger than ever. People are restoring old pickups, customizing them, and using them for weekend cruising. The Studebaker Transtar fits perfectly into that culture because it combines rarity, history, and vintage style all in one package. It may not have sold in huge numbers back in the day, but today that rarity makes it even more desirable. What also makes this truck special is its honest design. There is nothing fake about it. Every part of the vehicle was designed for real-world use. From the durable bed to the strong frame, the Transtar was built to work hard. That authenticity is something people still admire today. For younger viewers who have never heard of Studebaker before, discovering a truck like this can open the door to an entire forgotten chapter of automotive history. It reminds us that America once had many creative car companies competing to build unique vehicles. The Transtar is proof that even smaller manufacturers could produce something memorable and respected. Today, surviving examples of the 1964 Studebaker Transtar are becoming true collector items. Prices for restored trucks continue rising because enthusiasts understand their historical importance. Owning one is not just about having a classic truck, it is about preserving a piece of American automotive heritage. The 1964 Studebaker Transtar may not be the most famous truck ever built, but it absolutely deserves appreciation. It is stylish, rare, hard-working, and deeply connected to one of the most fascinating stories in American automotive history. Whether you are a longtime truck enthusiast or someone discovering classic vehicles for the first time, the Transtar is impossible to ignore once you understand its story. Thanks for watching at Carog765. If you enjoyed this video and want more classic American truck content, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss another legendary ride. Let us know in the comments what classic truck you want to see next, and we will see you in the next video.